Welcome back to VCD Tinkerbench. I'm your host Drew. Today we're going to be covering the AT-AT Pilot LED light kit, and as you can see here on the back we have on and off switch, USB for power, and two buttons, one for mode and one for brightness. In the kit you're also going to get a cover that's going to sit on top of the LEDs, and then with the cover you're going to have little squares, as you can see over on the mid right side. Now, first things first, you need to start peeling everything. So you're going to peel the black cover, and then you proceed to peel off the little squares. Now, on the kit you can notice that there is 4 mounting holes. We do not provide the mounting solution. We allow you to decide how you would like to mount this to your kit, but we at least provide the holes that not only hold the front faceplate to the LED kit, but it also allows you to hold the LED kit and faceplate to the armor. So I'm going to go ahead and peel these little squares, and it's a little tough, but it pays off at the end. It gives it that old original look. As you can see here, I peeled off the front, I peeled off the back. Just for as an example, I'm showing you what it looks like with it still on there. So this pressure fits right onto the LEDs. There is a little key registry there, and that's because there is a JST connector on the other side coming through. So if it doesn't fit in the first time, you may have to play around with it, flip it around. There is a little bit of a kerf, meaning when the laser cut, it is a little bit wider on one side and a little bit more narrow on the other. So once you figure out which side is the correct side, you put it in, and you can try to push it with your fingers. That is something that is possible, but understand that it's not going to seat in all the way. It is going to stick out a little bit. We're not trying to inlay it flat, because what we want to do is we want to have the LEDs pressure fit into the faceplate and then pressure fit these squares into the holes. So I'm just going to speed this up so that you guys are not bored watching this. And after 11 of them front and back, so it's 22 times having to peel this, like I said, all that work does pay off in the end. Just something that I do want to cover is, if you do run into any issues putting them in, you can always flip the faceplate and the unit upside down and try to push in the square that way. Here you can see on the last one I'm having a little bit of an issue, and I used the method of pushing it down. And there you have it. You have a completed AT-AT kit ready to be mounted into your armor. Thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe, follow us, like us, message us if you have any questions. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.